Very strange game in a strange moment for our team. The good thing that we won. The last quarter lasted 43 minutes. It's very difficult to have rhythm like this, but we have a lot of injuries and playing without so many guards, I believe that the result is a good thing for us.
Labai keistos rungtynės, keistame momente mūsų komandai. Gerai, kad laimėjome. Yra tikrai sunku pagauti ritmą, kai turime tiek traumų ir žaidėme be kelių gynėjų.
Hello, coach. As you mentioned, you played without the main ball handlers. How would you say that the rest of the team stepped up to the offensive duties?
I believe that we had very good moments. We relaxed a couple of times. I see a lot of complicated calls to understand from the referees, contact, no contact. I just watched the last call on Arnas. For me, the offensive player looks for the contact. For me, it's clear. Arnas is going for me, but I'm not the referee, so I'm learning every time I'm learning. I saw today a call on the double foul. Double foul means there are two fouls. There is one player banging on my player that is falling on the floor. So where is the double foul? So but it's our problem because we let this thing impact our concentration, and it's our fault.
Klausimas buvo, kad žaidėte be pagrindinių žaidėjų, galinčių valdyti kamuolį, kaip įsijungia kiti žaidėjai. Treneris atsakė, turėjome gerų momentų, bet tuo pačiu ir buvo situacijų, kai atsipalaidavome, taip pat buvo komplikuotų sprendimų iš teisėjų pusės, pavyzdžiui, paskutinė ataka prieš Šarną Butkevičių, man atrodė, kad puolantis žaidėjas ieškojo kontakto, tačiau pražanga buvo sušvilpta gynėjui, tad kiekvieną kartą tenka išmokti kažką naujo.
So would you say that the lack of concentration were the main reasons for such a difficult game?
No. When you have 4 players out and 3 are in the same department, I believe this is the reason. Plus, we had some ups and downs in concentration because we went up 3-4 times, 10 or 12. So this is the moment where I believe we lost concentration and we relax. This is something that we have to work on. But we have just to close a little bit the team in a bubble and work on our situations, some problems, and life is always a matter of facing a problem and adversity, finding a solution for another one coming. So, and it was not planned to have out Walker, Cisco, yes. It was not planned to have out Sirvis, and out was planned to have out Bryant, okay? And then, both your big guys have 2 fouls each in the first 6, 7, I believe 12 minutes of the game. It's all things. This was a very tricky game. You can lose these games. And the good thing is that we didn't lose it. Did we play good? No. Are we playing good? No. Do we have problems? Yes. Are we going to solve problems? Yes. If we stay inside that locker room, we are going to, with time, we know what we do. We need a little bit of time to adjust to the situations and face adversity. And I always say the same. A player, a coach, or is part of the problem or part of the solution. Okay? So we want to be part of the solution.
Ar koncentracijos ir pritrūko šiandien? Labiausiai pritrūko, kad žaidėme be 4 žaidėjų ir buvo 2-3 momentai, kai pirmavome dviženklę persvarą ir būtent tada prarasdavome koncentraciją ar tiesiog atsipalaiduodavome. Tiesiog turime užsidaryti ir išspręsti savo problemas. Gyvenimas visada verčia ieškoti sprendimų. Pavyzdžiui, šiandien neplanavome, kad būsime be Loni ir Davido, žinojome, kad būsime be Francisko ir Dunstono, o po to per pirmas minutės daug štaugų įgauna po 2 pražangas ir reikia prisitaikyti. Tokias rungtynės būna, kad ir galima pralaimėti, tačiau gerai, kad šiandien laimėjome. Tai tiesiog reikia šiek tiek laiko įsispręsti mūsų visas situacijas ir problemas.
Can you reveal what happened to Davidas and Lonnie?
minor injuries, but they could not play. So Davidas has a problem in the warm-up. And only came this morning with some pain. So it's a lot of games, and it is what it is. I don't know. It's day-to-day decision.
Loni ir Deividas turėjo smulkias traumas. Deividas pajuto skausmus per apšilimą. Tai tiesiog spręsime dienos iš dienos šią situaciją.
But I would not focus on who didn't play. I believe that Matt, Luki, Biras, Brady played very good game, you know. So I believe that you can see what we don't have, and I don't like it. I believe that these players, you know, playing without so many handlers, I believe we did a good job. Without playing quality game.
Nesifokusuočiau, kas nežaidė, o paminėčiau, kas sužaidė geras rungtynes. Lukas, Matas, Biras, Brady tikrai žaidė gerai.